Your body is far more than just flesh and bone. It is a powerful energetic system that communicates 24 hours a day, using a brilliant network of electrical and chemical signals to support your mood and detoxification, energy and fatigue, and your actual ability to think and to even heal. I'm Dr. Christine Schaffner, and I created this VIP free event, the Body Electric 2.0, one of the most valuable conversations of our time. When we look at our chronic health hurdles, from life ending neurological and autoimmune diseases to everyday thieves like headaches and fatigue, modern medicine has taken a deep dive on symptom control, but often left true health just beyond our reach. By throwing endless pharmaceuticals at humanity, they've also added a layer of side effects and risk that can actually derail and limit recovery, despite patients investing tens of thousands of dollars in decades of time. It is time to learn new health modalities that can turn the tide and give you back control and hope. Please join me to learn from the world's leading experts on exciting new technologies, from pulse EMF to infrared light therapy and ancient powerful techniques like sound healing, advanced hydration, and meditation. These things literally change your path. The typical patient who comes to my clinic has often been sick for months, years, and sometimes decades. They've seen over 20 doctors. I had one patient come to see me, and I was her 54th physician. If this sounds like a journey that you've been on, or you're seeking a more healthy and thriving existence, and a more personally directed and empowered journey, please sign up for this free event. Energy medicine is at the frontier of our health. We have this huge opportunity to have a renaissance and a new understanding of really ancient principles. And while we've made these huge advancements in conventional medicine through trauma work and through acute care, we're still falling quite short in how we approach chronic illness. And again, there's been a lot of my colleagues, we do naturopathic medicine and functional medicine. And I think the missing piece and the missing part of the equation is acknowledging that we need to look beyond biochemistry, that we need to, of course, look at the biochemistry and correct the imbalances in our patients' bodies, but we have to take this broader perspective and we have to acknowledge that we have this whole biophysical nature. And when we look at that and we look at the principles of how we are wired and how we work, it gives us this huge toolkit to accelerate our patient's healing. Disease is a disruption of this energy in our body, and we can use these tools to feel empowered and to accelerate our healing. And the knowledge and wisdom is here at this moment to support you. I invite you to join us and discover what is possible. Thank you, and I hope to see you at the event.